Hello and welcome to another Turing live code live solving problem. I'm Jose and I'm here today to solve one problem that you guys asked for, right? As that said, can you guys see me? I'm not sure. Is the live working? Yes, it is. It's working fine, right? Yeah. All right. So we can get started. As I said, here's Jose, and today I'll be solving another problem that you guys asked for related to SQL, right? So, as always, I would like to hear from you in the chat. Say hi, please, then I know that you are watching, right? So, the problem that we are going to be solving today, what problem will be this one? Okay, we need to write a SQL to find the top three the salaries of each department, right? And this is a hard problem and I will need your help today, right? Joseph Silva is on, the audio is 100% okay. Mr. William is there as well. Frederico is also there. Hello from Brazil. All right, so you guys asked it, and then I brought to you another SQL problem. Okay, so as that said, let's get started. I'm gonna read the job, not the job. I'm gonna read the problem description for you. Let me just switch to another music. Yeah, that's better. All right, so the problem that we're gonna be solving today. It's problem 185, okay? Department top three salaries, and what it means, we're gonna figure out it, right? All right, so the problem is, the problem says you have a table, an employee table, okay? Employee table with column name and column type with this schema, right? ID, integer, a name, a varchar, a salary, it's also an integer, and department ID, which is a also int, and it should be a foreign key, right? ID is the primary key column for this table. Department ID is a foreign key from the department table down below, okay? Each row of this table indicates the ID, name, and salary of an employer, right? And also it contains the ID of their department. And here is the department table. We have column name, column type, we have ID and name only, where ID is the primary key for the table, and each row of this table indicates the ID of the department, right? All right. And what they are asking us to do. Miss Reddy. Hi, Hemi. Hi from Bolivia. Nice to see you here. Miss Randy. How's it going, guys? All right. So, what we need to do, okay, what they are asking us to do is a company's executives are interested to see who earns the most money in which company's department. Okay, a high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top three unique salary for that department. All right, let's read it again. Okay, a company's executives are interested to see who earned the most money in each company's department. The high earner in a department is an employee who has a salary in the top three unique salary for that department. Okay, I can see we need a subquery for that, right? For now, what we need to do, we need to write an SQL query to find the employees who are high earners, okay, who are in the top three salary for each department, right? and return the result in any order. Nice. The query will result in the format it's in follow example. So they have this table employee, which has this salary, right? And then we have the department to department here, and the output will be these guys, right? These guys, but they said, okay, top 3 salary, now top 3 from each department, right? So as you can see here, we have 4 from TI and 2 from sales, right? All right, Sandeep, hi Sandeep. All right, what's the explanation? In the IT department, Max, okay, earned the highest salary, highest unique salary. Yes, 90,000 year, right? Both Randy and Joe earned the second highest unique salary. So we have this table, and we need to sort this table down, get the 3 highest salary per each department, right? And bring all people from that department that are in that salary range. Something like that, right? Okay, what else? Will earns the 3rd highest unique salary. So we have from IT, our range is from 70,000 to 90,000, right? And then we have to bring everyone who has a salary in this range. And from sales is 2, right? We have only 2 people, and then we're gonna bring them all, right? Same here. Yeah. How can we do that? The way that I see that is we need a subquery, right? We need a sub-select here because we need to have the top 3 salaries. Next time, can you try Kotlin program language? I'm not that proficient in Kotlin, but yeah, we can think that. All right. All right. Okay, do you guys have any idea how to do that? Because I think I am flicking. Am I flicking? Let me see. Am I flicking? Maybe I am, but yeah, okay, let's go for this. All right, so the first approach, okay, that we are going to be taking today will be a subquery, because we need a subquery, which is like not a subquery, but we need something like a view, right? We need a view for that, but we cannot create a view here. Or can we create a view? Let's see. All right, so this is the test. Okay, let's see the console and data visualizer. So we have this table here, guys. I see, right? We have this table. We have, it's working well, not flicking. Okay, thank you, Jose. So we have this table and we need to work with this table, right? Okay, so first, what we're gonna do, we need to create, we need the inner join here, right? Because we need to join 2 tables. We need to join employee with department by ID, department ID, right? So what we need to do first, let's create one query. Okay, let's start writing the SQL. So I'm gonna bring the data from the employee, right? We need the employee, so I'm gonna fetch data start from employee. So we need to select who. We need to bring name, salary, and what. Let's go to this view. We need to bring, what do we need to bring? We need to bring department, employee, and salary, right? So start with this. Select employee, right? Employee. I'm looking to here, so let's see what's this table look like. Name will be name, salary will be salary, and department ID will be our join condition, right? Okay, so let's start with this. Select, right? Select e.name, oops, e.name, because I'm going to set an alias. All right, e.name, comma, what? E.salary, salary, and what? Department ID. We need department ID, right? Okay, let's start with this. From, I'm gonna copy employee table, right? And then I'm going to set an alias to E. Where what? So far we need this, right? But I need to inner join. Inner join. Give a space here. Oh, you guys are not seeing me. Okay, now you are. We need to inner join. We need to inner join with this table here, department, right? And department I will call D on D dot ID is equal to E dot, copy the name, department ID, right? And then I have access to D dot what? D dot name, right? But we need to rename that as what? Department, because it's saying here, right? So let me do this, and then let me execute this table, this statement, and see what we have. It will fail, right? It's failing, but what I actually need is this, right? Let's see my test case. Let's see if I do this. Okay, not working fine. Okay, no worries. All right, but I have here, I have the list of the employments. It's really small space for us to debug, but that's okay. All right, so this is the one query we need to do, right? But what we need to do else? We need to get the salary. How can we do that? Okay, we have our inner drawing, and then where? Okay, we need a subquery from here. So let's start with a subquery, and then we can figure out if we can solve it in a different way. Okay. All right. So what we need to do? We need to get the top 3 salaries for each department, right? So how can we do that? Top three. How can we do that? All right. So let's write a subquery. Select, right? Oops. Select what? We need to get the top 3, right? Top 3. We need to pivot these numbers. So select actually, this is a ranking, right? This is a ranking. We need to rank the salaries. How can we do that? All right, so this is a rank. We need to create a view for that, right? Let me comment this. Okay, okay? Let's go with the ranking approach, right? let me copy this because I will need this. I will need this because this will be my base. Okay. All right. So select name, salary, and department. Right. Name departments. And we need, as this is a rank, so many database has have ranking function, right? So let's do a rank in MySQL, right? Rank, but it could be also a density rank. So dense rank, right? Oops, density ranking. Oh, not dense rank, right? And this is a function I'm gonna execute, and over that, right, the over statement, we have a couple things. We're gonna order by employee salary, e.salary, right? It's uppercase, no, it's lowercase. Salary, right? Desk, because we need the top to down, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to let's see, rename this column. Okay. So order by needs to be here, and then we need to partition by that, right? We need to partition by the e.department ID, not E. Department. Oops. Yes. Department. I prefer to copy department ID because we don't have autocomplete, right? And then what else? We need to rename this. Give it a name, right? Let's give it rank. Rank, I cannot do rank because rank is a function. Let's do R, right? And then I will do that by employer, and then I'm gonna inner join with salary, right? I'm do this job here. I'm going to inner join again. Let me remove this and this, right? So if we do that, this will be kind of a view, right? Let's see what we get from here. Okay, we have values 900, IT, 8,500, 1,000, and then we have 8,500, 85,000 again, and then we have this. Okay, this would be our view, right? This would be our view. So in how to simulate a view, because we don't have access to create a view here, so we need to wrap that. Okay, every time you want to create a view, you have to write that SQL statement in parentheses and give it a name, right? Let's call it rank employee. Okay, salary rank. Okay, all right, then this is my view, and from here let's see, name. Let's do something like this. Select star. Okay, from our select star from here. Okay, let's see what we have. This is really terrible to write SQL here because we cannot see the result. But all right, so we have our view here, and what we can do in view. In view, top 3 rank. Yeah, okay, let me take a look at the chat. The chat is right here. Okay, let's see. It's working well. Ricardo Alves from Brazil, order by salary, top 3. But we are in a SQL database, right? Frederick says TSQL have rank functions. Yes. I don't know MySQL have it. MySQL have ranking functions, dense rank, so have so many ranking functions, right? Okay, Frederick says select top tier rank over. Yes, we are doing that over as rank salary. Yeah. Frederick says, select top 3. All right, so MySQL doesn't support top function, but support a rank, right? And with a rank you have over, and then we can pass order by salary desk. Am I doing that? Yes, salary desk. And then what? From employee, right? Why my lead code ordered by salary desk? Why my lead? Okay, Joseph Silva said, why my lead code is showing a table rather than a JSON? So if you look, you have a table here or not here. So if you go to test case, right, you have to look test case, and then you have data visualizer here. If you press this button, it will show a table, right? It will show this table in the top. So you have to select data visualizer here to see a JSON, right? Okay, let's take a look at the chat. Jeffton, I'm glad you are here, Jeffton. All right, but so we are using a ranking function, okay, and then we have this, but now we need the top 3, right? And Frederick says top 3. We need the top 3. How can we get the top 3 from here? Okay, if I select, for example, I give it a name R, right? Let's rename it to rank salary. Let's rename it to rank salary, right? And then if I do select rank salary, let's see what we get from here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, right? So when you do a rank, you will return this. So you have the position, right? We have a, are you seeing this? Yes, we have a tie here. 2, number 2 in the second position, right? And if you look into the test case, if you look at the data visualize, we should have 2 with the same salary here, right? Let's see. Department IT is 1, so we have 85, and then we have 85 again here, right? This is the salary that they are returning, right? These 2 guys, we have a tie. So we are almost there, because now you know that we have an integer, right? Salary rank is an integer. And what we need to do, we just need, right? We just need to see if the salary is in the top 3, right? So let's break the line here, okay? And add a where salary rank is less or equal to 3. Oops. Less or equal to 3, right? If we execute this code, we should move 4 out of our solution, right? It should return 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, and 2. See, we move out 4 from our list, right? Let's see the chat. Time zone took me unaware. Yeah, hi from Nigeria. Hi from Nigeria again. Whoa, we have some people from Nigeria. Welcome, guys. So now our query is almost there, right? What we need to do is just fix this, right? If I call star here, it will return a lot of we need to remove rank salary, right? It will return name, salary, department, and rank salary. We need to remove that. And also, I do not recommend use select star, because select star will do an extra select. Okay, all right, 1 second, I lost you guys. 1 second, I lost you guys. Where are you? All right, 1 second. I will be back. Okay, because I lost you guys. There you go. There we go. I'm back. Okay. All right. So don't use select star because it will do an extra SQL, right? In that case, we can do this, right? We can do employee. We can do employee. Ghana. Hello from Colombia. Hello from Ghana. So we can do employee, right? Name. We have name and we have salary. And we have what? Department. Department. We have department. Okay, department. Okay, copy and paste. It should work now. Okay, what's the difference? Because it's supposed to work, right? We are selecting them. Then we are user rank partition by department ID. So we're grouping by department ID and order by salary desk, right? And then we have department here. In our inner function, we are getting everyone that has less or equal to 3. And what is missing? Let's see the difference. Oh my god, too much difference. Okay, name. They are expecting to have something like department, employee, and salary. Okay, department, employee, and salary. Right, what's wrong? Let's check again. Name. Okay, name. Employee. Name, we should rename to employee. Oh my god, I totally missed that. And salary, we need to rename to salary with a capitalized S, right? And then from here I have to remove to employee and to salary with a capitalized S. Let's see, let's check the chat. Okay, it's passing. And then let's do a custom test, right? So how can we do a custom test? All right, so we have this table. We are returning. Okay, you are seeing. Yeah, we are returning this data, right? So how can we manipulate that? Let's add something. Let's add something in the department table with sales, right? Let's add in employee someone from sales with a salary range 85. So how can we do that? Let's analyze our JSON here. So we have department. Okay, let me do something here. Can you guys see that? Yes. JSON prettify. Let's open a JSON prettify. Okay, JSON prettify. Oh, not this. It works. Okay, let's see. We have rows. We have this row with 800 for IT, right? We need to add one more row here. Let's copy someone from sales. Okay, this is a department. Okay, 2. Let's copy this guy and let's try to. Can I do the opposite? Can I do the opposite? No, I'm gonna copy here, right? Someone from the department 2, Sam 3, right? I'm gonna copy Sam ID 4, ID 5, ID 6, ID 7. We need ID 8. ID 8 will be Jose 6000 from IT 2. Let's see. So if I use this, right? If I do this, you guys should see my name here. Yeah, it's working, and my name is here from the department 2. But if I add someone with a higher salary, my name should disappear, right? So let's do this. Copy this guy, add 9. Okay, and let me get one name from the list, Jeff Ta. Okay, let's add 9 will be Jeff Ta. Okay, Jeff Ta. Is that? It's missing one H. Okay, Jeff Ta will receive 100,000, right? 100,000. So with this, my name should disappear, right? We are seeing my name here, but if I execute this, my name should disappear, right? No, it didn't. Okay, because the salary is in the high range. I need to drop my salary to 59. So now my name will disappear because I am the range, the top 3 range. Yeah, Jefton is here and I am missing, right? So let me submit this. Let's submit this and see if it will pass in all the tests. If it passes, we are good, right? Just execute this again. Department, check if it's working. It's working. Let's see. Great, it passed, right? Department with high salary, unique order. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, and that's all from my side today. The chat. That's all from my side today. Next Friday, let me tell you guys what problem we are gonna solve next Friday. Let me find it again. Okay, next Friday will be a algorithm problem. Okay, next Friday will be a algorithm problem. Yeah, algorithm problem that you guys shared with us. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and unfortunately I cannot see the chat. Let me see why I'm not seeing the chat. Why I'm not seeing the chat. I'm not seeing the chat. That's why I cannot reply any message in the chat. But let's see. Why I cannot see the chat? But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, I'm not able to see the chat message. That's why I'm not replying the message. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Give me a big fat thumbs up for this live if you are still here. Next Friday we're gonna solve a algorithm problem, okay, that you guys shared with us. I hope you guys have a great evening, great night, great end of the day. I hope to see you guys next Friday. Okay, take care.